Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you guys how I was able to catch this particular trade here. So this is GBPUSD. So this particular trade, and I like this particular trade on one of my videos. I made a video showing how I do top-down analysis, and then I use GBPUSD for example in that video, and then I got this particular setup here, and then this particular setup let that play out. So let's head to my chart so I can break down the reason behind this trade. So let's go to my GBPUSD chart. So this GBPUSD on my 4 hours time frame. This GBPUSD on my 4 hours time frame. You see the place I got this particular trade. So let me break down what happened here and how I was able to catch this particular trade. So let's go back to my daily time frame so that you can see the genesis of this particular trade. So this is my daily time frame, and then if you look where you can see that what we are seeing, we are having our daily low here. We are having our daily low here, then our daily high here. Having our daily high here. This is our daily high, and then this is the break of structure to the upside. You can see this now have helped us to narrow down our focus to this area here. So let's go down to 4 hour time frame so that you can see clearly what the price is doing. So this is a 4 hour time frame. Then so if you look where you can see what the price is doing here. So what happened here is that after this break of structure to the downside, the price have to reverse and then break structure to the upside, meaning that we are going bullish now, and then another break of structure here, making here a strong low, and then once you can see what happened after this break of structure here, price have to pull down, breaking this structure to the downside, meaning that we are shifting bearish on my 4 hour time frame, which is my middle time frame. So after this break of structure, you can see what happened. Price have to pull back and then break another structure here, and then making another break of structure, and then pull back here, and then break structure here. You can see this is the last break of structure to the upside. Mind you, but this is a lower time frame break of structure. I can't take this as a 4 hours time frame break of structure. This is the lower time frame break of structure, but it counts. Yeah, the reason why I can't, because it's a sign of reversal. Whenever price start giving me sign like this, that's a sign of reversal for me, meaning that price want to reverse any moment from now. And you can see what happened after this break of structure. We have break of structure to the upside, lower time frame break of structure to the upside, meaning that price has start shifting bullish, and then so you can see what happened. Price has to start consolidating, doing higher high, higher low, higher high, and then this is the particular place I call this particular trade. So let me walk you guys through how I was able to catch this particular trade, since I already have the view of what the market is doing. So as you can see, you have a lot of surprise zone here, because this is a zone that leads to this break of structure. And then what happens is that because there is a surprise zone here, you can't just enter. You can only enter when the price show you. But as you can see currently now, what the price is doing, as I've already broke structure here now, meaning that we are now about to continue going bearish. So this is the particular place I entered the trade, and then let me show you guys the exact reason why I entered this particular trade. I'll just go down to my lower time frame, which is my 1 hour time frame, so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So this is my 1 hour time frame. As you can see, this is my 1 hour time frame, and then you can see what the market is doing. After this break of structure to the upside, market is just doing, after this break of structure to the upside, market is just doing lower, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then higher low, then higher high. So this is the particular place I entered the trade. So you can see the reason behind this particular trade now. You can see what happened after this break of structure to the upside. You can see what happened. Price just come back, give us a double bottom, and then giving us a liquidity here. Also there is also another liquidity here. You can see what happened when the price pull back, come down to this supply zone here. Buyers try to push it up, but there is insufficient liquidity, and then the price continue going down, come down to this supply zone and demand zone, I mean. Then buyers also try to push it up, there is sufficient liquidity, and then continue going down until it come down to this extreme demand zone here. Before the price could come down to this extreme demand zone here, there's only support the liquidity here, meaning that a lot of liquidity have entered the market. So you can see what happened when the price come down to this extreme demand zone. Because there is enough liquidity in the market, we have a very sharp V-shaped reaction here, and then also break structure to the upside here. This is the first time to show that we are about to continue going up in a short time, because buyers have already entered the market, liquidity have already entered the market, and then this is where I put my entry here. Let me tell you so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So after this break of structure to the upside here, and then price has started pulling back. So this is where I enter the trade and then keep my stop loss below this low, and then target my number 1 is to 4 risk reward. That's how I do my trade. I don't target more than 1 is to 4 risk reward unless the chart says so, unless the strategy, unless the setup says so that the price is going to play more than 1 is to 4 risk reward. Unless that, I'm just doing 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4 risk reward. And as you can see what happened, very sharp reaction to the upside, then hit the TP, and then price has started pulling back. So guys, if you like how I analyze my charts, make sure you like, share and follow so that you can see the next video when I post it. Thanks, see you in my next video.